Action.
Hi guys, this is Coach Sigmon, part of the PE department and the head girls track coach. The classes I teach are HOPE, weight training, and team sports. In HOPE class, we basically try to teach you how to be healthy for life. We talk about nutrition and mental health and drugs and alcohol and all types of things, anything really having to do with health. In weight training, we would normally be in the weight room lifting weights, but we learn about the body and the muscles and different weights or different lifts you can do to make yourself stronger. Team sports, we talk about 5 sports, and again, typically we would be playing them, but the first 4 weeks we're going to talk about strategies and rules and things like that, and then hopefully we will see you face to face and be able to apply some of the things that we've learned. The materials you'll need for the first 4 weeks are just normal class materials like paper and pencil and a computer, obviously. My expectations are that you hopefully bring a good attitude every day, flexibility, especially in these times, and then also being open to trying new things. I look forward to seeing everybody in a couple of weeks.